It's not a pleasant subject, but if you're thinking of hiring a divorce attorney, it's important to do your homework. I had the opportunity to sit down the other day with divorce attorney Paul Rice. I asked the question, what kind of research should someone do before hiring an attorney? Let's go to that interview.
So check out their website. Does the attorney handle a lot of different areas of law, or do they specialize in an area? And then finally, when you've narrowed it down, maybe narrowed down to 2 or 3 or 4, go interview that lawyer. And it may cost you to interview the lawyer, but that's okay. You're about to embark on something that's very important and has very serious ramifications for the rest of your life.
It's not something you do every day.
No.
I mean, it's a big deal, and for most people that get divorced or are faced with this situation, hopefully it's the only time they ever have to do it.
Yeah.
And you want to do it well.
But
and the
I
outcome,
get a lot of repeat customers, so I can't agree it's the only time. But you're right. It's a huge decision, and more likely than not, it should be probably the only time you'll ever have to do it.
But the outcome or the ramifications is the word I'm looking for. The ramifications are enormous.
Enormous, and you don't get a do-over.
Right.
So, for example, you have a leaky roof, and you get some bids from roofers, and you hire the low-bid roofer. Dave, what do you end up usually after you hire the low-bid roofer? A leaky roof. All right?
Yeah.
Well, okay, so you've made a bad decision. You want the low-cost roofer. Now you can go hire a good roofer, pay more money, and get it done right.
Yeah.
In our business, if you get a bad lawyer and it results in a bad outcome, and that is the final judgment of dissolution of marriage, you can't change that final judgment. And you can't come back and fix it and go just get a more expensive lawyer to try to do it again. Final means final. So it's very important that you get the right attorney. And when you do go interview some attorneys, interview a few and see which one you connect with.
Yeah.
Which one speaks your language.
Well, that's going to be important for that, because you're going to be in the trenches with this attorney for what could be months or years to get this sorted out.
I've had cases. I've had clients for 7 or 10 years. The divorce, like a divorce case is like a phoenix rising from the ashes, because then there's post-judgment issues. But I will explain to my clients, hey, we're going to be a team.
Yeah.
It's teamwork. You've got the facts. I've got the law. I can't handle this case without you, and vice versa. So we're going to be working together as a team.
Well, I think you've hit a real key one. You've got to be, and I say this about people picking financial planners, so it's very similar, Paul,
Sure.
as you better like them, you better trust them, and you better believe they know what they're doing. If you don't have any of those three, it's going to fall apart.
It's called confidence. If you don't have confidence in your professional, then you're going to question everything he or she recommends.